Yeah, she says I'll get right on that.
The last gift of the morning.
And apparently the big one. To Cameron
and Barry.
It's the bowling ball.
Mommy and Daddy.
There's some gift back there.
Those are for Mommy.
For a minute, I didn't remember what.
It was Justice Specs.
It's another Justice outfit, you know?
What is it? What is it?
Justin Bieber ticket.
Justin Bieber tickets? What?
I know, right? Yay!
So when is this?
Merry Christmas!
Thank you.
Does it say when it is?
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah!